Hi, this is 48 hours later. We are going to revisit some of the places that you saw in our last video. Last time the water came right up to here. You can hear some of the generators right now, but there were more early in the morning. And we're going to be out of power for at least a week more. Today's Halloween, but there's not going to be any trick-or-treating. That was a live wire over there.
Yeah, it is still a little bit high tide. I mean, high tide's going to be coming in probably about a half hour from now.
But it's usually much lower than this.
No wind.
So Harold lost a lot of trees, probably about 10, including the 2 that came down into our yard, which we're going to check out right now. Roger came over yesterday. He and I started to take down this tree. Roger's going to use the firewood.
This is what kept the apple tree from crushing the garage. This is what held it up.